Why don't birds seem worried about venomous snakes? Turns out that bird biology makes snake venom not a big issue at all. Snake venom is designed to target mammals and reptiles, not birds. So in most cases, the toxins don't work the same way on avian systems. Even if a venomous snake manages to inject venom, many bird species are surprisingly resistant, with fast metabolisms and unique blood chemistry that help neutralize harmful compounds before they cause damage. When birds eat venomous snakes, the venom inside the prey isn't a problem either. Digestive enzymes in a bird's stomach quickly break down proteins, including the toxins, rendering them harmless long before they can enter the bloodstream. And the chances of a bird actually getting bitten are low in the first place. Snakes rely on defensive strikes, but birds attack from above with sharp beaks and talons, moving too fast for the snake to land an accurate bite.